Hello viewers, welcome to our special election related political bulletin segment starting with the fifth story. Prime Minister Narendra Modi criticized the Trinamool Congress government in the West Bengal for allegedly obstructing Ram Navami celebrations and accused them for fostering corruption and criminal activities in the state. He emphasized the significance of this year's celebration due to the presence of Ram Lala in the Ram temple in Ayodhya. Modi referenced a recent incident where TMC workers reportedly forced 3 tribal women to perform penance for joining the BJP, which led to viral social media backlash and the removal of a TMC district leader. The Calcutta High Court recently granted permission for Ram Navami procession under certain restrictions, allowing up to 200 participants without weapons or proactive slogans.
TMC ने हमेशा की तरह यहां रामनवमी उत्सव को रोकने की पूरी कोशिश की, सारे षड्यंत्र किए, लेकिन जीत सत्य की ही होती है.
AAP MP Sanjay Singh criticized the treatment of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal during his jail term, claiming he was being unfairly treated like a terrorist. Singh highlighted disparities in meeting conditions, stating Kejriwal met Punjab CM Bhagwat Mann through a glass screen while a notorious criminal had more lenient visitations. Kejriwal reported conveyed a message asserting, "My name is Arvind Kejriwal and I'm not a terrorist," drawing a parallel to a famous movie dialogue.
My name is Khan and I'm not a terrorist.
Singh accused the BJP of malice and vendetta, citing Kejriwal's treatment as reflective of Prime Minister Modi's hatred.
जिस जनता के लिए उन्होंने एक बेटे भाई की तरह काम किया, उस जनता के लिए एक संदेश भेजा है कि मेरा नाम अरविंद केजरीवाल है और मैं आतंकवादी नहीं हूं.
The Aam Aadmi Party has announced its list of star campaigners for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections in Gujarat, which includes Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, his wife Sunita Kejriwal and other prominent party members. This marks the first time Sunita Kejriwal has been named as a star campaigner, reflecting a potential step towards her political involvement. The announcement comes amidst Arvind Kejriwal and other party members being in the judicial custody due to ongoing legal proceedings. Sunita Kejriwal has been active in party meetings and events, raising speculations about her political role. Despite challenges with leaders in custody, Sanjay Singh's recent release has provided a boost of energy to the AAP ahead of the elections. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has strongly criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi's role in implementing electoral bonds, labeling the scheme as Modi's master scheme. Gandhi emphasized that Modi initially claimed that electoral bonds would enhance transparency in politics, yet donor identities were kept confidential. He questioned the government's failure to release donor data when instructed by the Supreme Court, highlighting this as a significant flaw in Modi's purported transparency initiative. Gandhi asserted that the electoral bond system represents the Prime Minister's largest corruption scheme, characterized by secrecy and opacity in political funding.
नरेंद्र मोदी का मास्टर स्कीम है जी, ये इनकी सोच है जी, पूरा आइडिया इनका था जी. ये कहते हैं कि पॉलिटिक्स में ट्रांसपेरेंसी लाने के लिए किया गया जी. तो अगर ये पॉलिटिक्स में ट्रांसपेरेंसी लाने के लिए किया गया जी, तो इसमें नाम क्यों छुपे थे जी? जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा जी कि डेटा रिलीज होना चाहिए जी, तो इसको रिलीज होने से कौन रोक रहा था, क्यों रोक रहा था जी? किन डेट्स पे पैसा दिया गया, किसको दिया गया जी? जब ये डेटा मांगा गया जी, उसको भी किसने रोका? क्लियर सी बात है जी. ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर का विजन है जी. इसको स्ट्रीट लेवल पे एक्सटॉर्शन कहा जाता है, हफ्तेबाजी कहा जाती है. ये हिंदुस्तान का सबसे बड़ा हफ्तेबाजी का स्कीम है और ये प्रधानमंत्री ने कंसेप्चुलाइज किया है.
Union Minister and BJP Lok Sabha candidate from Nagpur Nitin Gadkari releases his own election manifesto titled as Vachanama, outlining his vision for Nagpur's development over the next 5 years if re-elected for a third term. The manifesto promises to create 1 lakh jobs and aims to position Nagpur among the top 5 cities in terms of development and cleanliness. Gadkari highlighted his achievements as an MP over the last 10 years during a press conference where he unveiled the manifesto just 3 days before the first phase of polling in the Nagpur on April 19th. That's it for now. I'll see you all in the next video.